It's a bit challenging when it comes to feeding village chickens or local chickens and make them grow fast and healthy. In this video, I'm sharing some tips how to go about it. These are intended for beginners. However, even if you're having chicken keeping experience, you will find them useful. It's a brand new day. Welcome back to Mzee Chicks YouTube channel. Mzee Chicks is my name. Always here to see everyone who's doing chickens. Of course, I'm the world's best chicken dad. When it comes to feeding village chickens, there is what we call nutrition basics. And with the nutrition basics, we need protein, energy, minerals, and vitamins. Most people think that these village chickens are only fed on local feeds, on addition to local feeds just like grains. We need a combination of these local feeds with the commercial feeds to see our village chickens growing fast. So we have to do a combination, combine local feeds together with these commercial feeds in order to gain all what we are talking about, to have protein in our feeds, to have energy, minerals, and the vitamins. That's how we are coming up with what we are calling nutrition basics. Most people down there in the village, we only consider feeding our village chickens with our surrounding feeds, forgetting that they are good, but they are not complete with all what we are talking about here. In order to see our village chickens growing fast and healthy, we have to balance these feeds. And we are always complaining that our village chickens can't grow fast, yet we are feeding them poorly. You can provide this through a combination of commercial feed, grains, and the supplements. Our second tip here is feeding strategy. So when it comes to raising village chickens, I know most people you raise them semi-intensively, whereby you're going to feed them part of the day, then part of the day they are scavenging. But when we talk about feeding strategy, here we mean feed these chickens at the same time every day. If you decided to feed them on commercial feeds in the morning, just do it every day, don't change. If you decided to feed them in the evening, just for that feeding time every day. Don't feed them today in the morning, then maybe tomorrow in the evening. That's what we are trying to mean by feeding strategies. By changing their feeding, it may result into their stunted growth. And then another thing here with the feeding strategy, try to feed your chickens with treats. Most of the fruits and vegetables all are treats. And by feeding our chickens with the fruits and vegetables, you'll be raising up a healthy and happy chickens. Local feed options, that is our number 3. We are surrounded by quite a number of local feeds, starting from corn, millet, sorghum, soya beans. All these are local feeds, and we know very well these are cost effective and very delicious for our chickens. But remember always to mix local feeds with the other ingredients to come up with a balanced diet. Most people always send to me complaints that my village chickens are not growing very fast. When I try to ask you, how are you feeding your chickens, you always answer, I'm feeding them only on corn, I'm feeding them only on millet, minus mixing with other ingredients. Just know that is the cause why your chickens are not growing fast. We are talking about local feed options, and it is cost effective and very delicious, but mind also to mix these local feeds with other ingredients if you want our chickens to grow fast and even to compete with other breeds of chickens out there. Of course, here we had broken maize, we had moringa, chopped moringa, we had choked weeds, we had crushed eggshells, we had leftovers, water from boiled rice. Then now we have a complete feed. Have you ever thought that overfeeding can lead to health problems and reduce chicken growth? This is another one. Overfeeding in chickens, when you're not balancing their feeds, can lead to health problems and reduce their growth. Most people just know that overfeeding your chickens, that is their growth. It's not. You follow your chicken's weight, you follow your chicken's age, and feed them accordingly. You will be avoiding overfeeding. Vitamins and supplements, this is our last here. Always provide supplements and vitamins to your chickens to improve their growth and health. Make research and know which supplements and vitamins are required for your chickens, maybe according to their age and weight. Be checking this to your nearest feed store, or be asking your veterinary doctors. Here you will come up with right supplements and vitamins to be given to your chickens. Guys, lots of love, Mosaic Chicks. Sign out.